Dreaming of starting your own business? This video breaks down the 5 essential steps to turn your vision into reality. First, validate your idea by solving real problems. Don't just fall in love with it. Second, build an unstoppable mindset. Embrace failure, stay resilient, and surround yourself with winners. Third, craft a solid business blueprint. Know your customer, revenue model, and what sets you apart. Fourth, master sales and marketing. Sell by solving problems, not pushing products. Finally, scale and multiply. Automate, delegate, and reinvest to create wealth. The key? Take action now, because success doesn't wait for dreamers, it rewards doers. Ready to build your empire? Let's go! Hello and salam. Imagine waking up in the morning without an alarm, without a boss breathing down your neck, and without the fear of job security. Instead, you're the one in control, calling the shots, making the profits, and building a legacy. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the harsh truth. Most businesses fail, not because of bad ideas, but because of bad execution. And the sad part? People don't even realize what they're doing wrong until it's too late. Today, I'll reveal 5 essential steps that will not only help you start your business, but ensure that it thrives. Whether you're thinking about launching your first venture or scaling your existing one, this guide is for you. Stay till the end because the last step is what separates the successful from those who struggle for years without results. Yep, we don't want to end up like that guy. So let's get started. Step 1. The $1 million idea. Ever heard of the saying, build it and they will come? Well, that's a lie. The biggest mistake new entrepreneurs make is falling in love with their idea without checking if it actually solves a problem. A great business starts with a demand, not just a dream. Here's what you need to do. Find a problem people are desperate to solve. Research your competitors. What are they doing right? Where are they failing? Validate your idea. Ask potential customers, run small tests, or even pre-sell before launching. But having a great idea is just the beginning. Most people stop there, and that's why they fail. Now let's talk about execution. Step 2. Build an unstoppable mindset. If you think starting a business is just about money and strategy, think again. Your mindset is your biggest asset or your biggest enemy. Here's the raw truth. Fear will stop you. People will doubt you. You will fail multiple times. But those who succeed don't quit. They adapt. They push through. They turn failure into fuel. Here's how to build an unstoppable mindset. Surround yourself with winners, people who think bigger than you. Train your brain. Consume content that inspires and educates you every day. Develop resilience. Every setback is a setup for your comeback. See? If a baby can keep going, so can you. Now, let's move to the next game-changing step. Step 3. The business blueprint. Planning and strategy. Most people jump into business without a plan. And you know what happens? They get lost. A great business is like a great building. You need a strong foundation. So, before you start, you must answer, who is your ideal customer? How will you make money? Products, services, subscriptions. What makes you different from your competitors? The most successful businesses are simple yet effective. Think of Apple, Tesla, or even your favorite local business. They solve a specific problem in the easiest way possible, but even the best strategy is worthless without action. And this next step is where most people get stuck. Step 4. Master the art of sales and marketing. You might have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, it doesn't matter. Selling is not about tricking people. It's about helping them solve a problem. Here's how to sell like a pro. Build a brand people trust. Use content, storytelling, and testimonials. Master social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Where does your audience hang out? Use scarcity and urgency. People take action when they feel they might miss out. Quick reality check. If you're scared of selling, just remember, every successful entrepreneur is a great salesperson. If you don't sell, you don't survive. All right, now that we know how to attract customers, let's talk about the ultimate secret to long-term success. Step 5. Scale and multiply. You don't want to just start a business. You want to create wealth. And wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Here's the formula. Automate. Use systems so your business runs without you. Delegate. Hire people to do what you shouldn't be doing. Multiply. Reinvest profits into new income streams. The best entrepreneurs don't just work in their business, they work on it. That's the key to freedom. Now, the final step will determine whether you stay stuck or create real success. Act 3, the final message and call to action. You have two choices. Keep dreaming about starting a business and stay where you are. Take action today and build a future where you are in control. The world doesn't wait for those who hesitate. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest challenge holding you back? Let's build this journey together. And if you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. This is BizAscend, helping you break barriers and build empires. See you in the next one.